Question 1. Diagram shows a cylinder which has a radius of 8.2 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. We are then told that Pam pours 1.5 liters of water into the cylinder, and we're being asked to calculate the depth of that water. So if we imagine for a moment here that water has been poured in, then we will end up with a new height, basically this surface of the water. If we say poured it and it went up to something like that, we're going to have this unknown height or unknown depth. Whichever letter you choose, it doesn't make a difference. So the only use of this 10 is an indication that our answer should be smaller than 10. If it's not, then we know we've done something wrong. But basically what we have here is a backwards volume question where they've given us from yellow here the capacity of the liquid, this 1.5 liters, and we convert that into centimeters cubed to get us a volume, a physical space. So 1.5 liters is the same as 1,000 times that milliliters, so 1,500 milliliters. And the conversion between a milliliter and a centimeters cubed is 1 to 1. So we end up with our volume as being 1,500. Now we have a cylinder here, so the volume of our cylinder, we can quote this from the formula sheet, pi r squared h. We know that our volume is 1,500, so we sub that in on the left-hand side. We have then equals pi times our radius, which is 8.2. So we're going to have 8.2 squared here. And then we are multiplying that by our unknown h. So we're going to rearrange this formula now to figure out what h is. We can in one step divide both sides by pi and 8.2 squared at the same time, or in other words rewrite it so it looks like this. And then if we type down into the calculator, our h is going to end up equaling 7.1009 and change. And rounding that to one decimal place, our height is going to be 7.1 centimeters. Done.